So for this exercise, we are giving a linked list, or should I say we are giving the first node of a linked list. And what we need to do is we need to reverse the linked list, right? So this is the input, right? And the output would be just the reversed values, right? So our input would be the head of this linked list, and our output, we would just return the new head right here. Okay, so how to solve this? One way of solving this would be to just go through the linked list and have a stack, right? Just push the values 1, 2, 3, and then pop the values one by one and construct additional array. This would give us both runtime and space would be of n is the number of nodes, but we could do better, right? What we could actually do is just on each stage, so we start with the first node, right? And on each stage we would just reverse the pointers from current node to the previous, right? And until we hit the end, right? And just return the last node. So this would give us of n time, and because we're just changing pointers, we're not allocating new nodes or anything, the space is constant, right? So let's look how this would look in code. So if we have head, which is basically just a node class that has values, let's say 1, the next node would be would be 2, and let's have 3, right? Yeah, now we need to actually construct this class. We need to have init, so constructor, so have self, we have value, and next pointer, which has default value of none. Cool. Self.next is next. One thing we want to have is just something to print all the nodes. So let's have str. Okay, so we will have results array. Current node can be just self, and while we have current node, so it's not none, we can just append to convert this current value, which is integer, to a string, so current.value, and advance our current pointer to current.next. Once we're done, we just return result. And just to make it pretty, let's just do a pointing arrow. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So let's print head. This works. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this works. So all we need to do now is just reverse linked. So we'll have a function that will be reversing our linked list, and if we print new head, we will get a reverse linked list. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 3, when we reverse it, we will have 3, 2, 1. Let's call it node. Cool. When we're dealing with pointers, so with linked list, we need to be careful with pointers. So current can be just node, and we'll have previous node, which can start as none. And while we have current node, we can do some pointer manipulation. We need to save current.next. You'll see in a second why, because now current .next will point to previous, right? And previous can be current, and of course we need to advance current, so that's why we're saving temporary variables here. So current can be just temp, right? Once we're done, what do we return? We don't return current because we know that once when the current cur variable is none, we're out of this loop, so we know that current is not the node. So we need to return the last node, which should be previous, right? So we return previous. So let's just run this, see if it works. So we have 1, 2, 3. This is initial linked list. We reverse it and we have 3 to 1. So let's test this with a few other values. So we can have node 4 and node 5. Let's see if it works. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reverse it to reverse order. So let's just clear this output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reversed order. This works. Cool. I hope you learned something, and yeah, till next time. Bye.